Welcome back to SK Auto Rush, where we explore unique and rare vehicles from every era. Today, we're diving into a truly unusual and quirky car from the past, the 1970 Toyota WiLL V. While the WiLL VA was officially introduced in 2000, imagine if it had actually been styled and released back in 1970. That retro-futuristic concept is what we'll explore today, breaking down the car's exterior, performance, and interior character from a vintage perspective. Starting with the exterior, the 1970 Toyota WiLL VI would have stood out even more in that era than it did in the early 2000s. It's boxy and upright. Design looks like a mix of post-war European styling and early Japanese creativity. The body is tall, narrow, and charmingly awkward, with reversed rear windows that resemble something from a design experiment in a world dominated by long sedans and muscle cars. The WiLL Vi's design would have been nothing short of revolutionary in 1970. The vertical front grille, round headlamps, and flat panels give it a playful yet utilitarian look. It's the kind of car that would have turned heads, not because of raw power, but because of its bravery to be completely different from the side profile. The WiLL Vi looks like a compact commuter, designed for city use with simplicity in mind. The wheels are small and pushed toward the corners, maximizing interior space. In the context of 1970s styling, this would have been futuristic and almost cartoonish compared to the chrome-heavy land yachts of the time. Its oddball charm would likely have given it a cult following among younger drivers or those wanting something that breaks from the norm. Now, let's talk performance. In reality, the original WiLL Vi had a modest 1.3-liter four-cylinder engine that produced about 88 horsepower. If that powertrain were available in 1970, it would have been considered adequate for a small commuter car. The acceleration wouldn't be thrilling, but it would be reliable and fuel-efficient, ideal for urban driving and daily errands. Front-wheel drive would have been a novelty at the time, and the lightweight construction would help the car feel nimble even with lower output. Steering would likely feel light and easy, while the suspension would be tuned more for comfort than handling precision. Not a performance car by any stretch, but it would have delivered a dependable and simple driving experience that fits with the era's growing demand for efficiency over brute strength. Stepping inside, the interior of the 1970 WiLL Vi would have been simple yet clever. The dashboard design would be minimal, with a centrally mounted speedometer and large buttons and knobs. The tall cabin height gives an airy feel, while upright seats would offer decent visibility and legroom. The materials would most likely be basic plastics and vinyls, durable and easy to clean. Think of it as a functional space with a touch of retro flair, practical but with character. In summary, the 1970 Toyota WiLL Vi would have been a design statement ahead of its time, with its unique exterior, modest but reliable performance, and thoughtfully crafted interior. It's a vehicle that would have made its mark in automotive history as one of the boldest concepts ever brought to life. Thanks for watching SK Auto Rush. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unique car stories.